Hello viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we see about how to create skeleton loading like YouTube. First we create container. Inside the container, we create avatar skeleton, and line skeleton. Many people think what is skeleton loader? In simplest terms, skeleton loader is a static or animated placeholder for the information that is still loading.
راسك عالي 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 جبينك عالي 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 راسك عالي 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 جبينك عالي 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 راسك عالي جبينك عالي راسك عالي جبينك عالي قسما صامت مثل جبال وانت الغالي مالي مالي
Next I create animation. To loading that skeleton. Animation is attract the user. Output is awesome. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.